Hi guys, Candy Toy Box here today. You're going to need pony beads, scissors, a lighter, a needle, and a long piece of string. And you're going to start off by putting 5 white beads and then 2 pink beads, one on each side. And then you're going to get 1 pink bead and it's going to go through both strings. It'll look like that. And then we're going to add 3 pink on each side. And then we're going to take one and it's going to go through both. And we're going to repeat that. So we're going to put 3 pink on each side. And then 1 pink goes through both. We're going to repeat that. 3 pink on both sides. And then this time we're going to take a white bead and it's just going to go down one side. And we're going to pull this tight. That's what it looks like. And we're going to tie this. And then you're going to get your needle and you're going to put it on one side of the string. And we're going to go through this white and through these 2 pink. And we're going to add 3 pink. And we're going to go through the middle. We're going to add 3 pink. And we're going to go through this middle. We're going to add 1 pink and then 2 white. And we're going to circle all the way around. And we're going to go up this pink and down these 2 white. And we're going to add 2 white and 1 pink. And we're going to go through this middle. We're going to add 3 pink and we're going to go through this middle pink. We're going to add 3 pink, 1 white, and then 1 pink. And we're going to take our needle and we're going to go through these 2 pink and through these 2 pink. And we're going to take our needle and we're going to go up these 3 pink, up this middle pink, and then we're going to go down here. So through this pink, that white, and these 2 pink. Flip it over. We're going to add 3 pink, and we're going to go through this middle. We're going to add 1 pink and then 2 white, and we're going to go through these 2 white, and then we're going to go down these 3 pink, up this pink, down these 2 white, and then we're going to add 2 white and 1 pink, and we're going to go through this pink. And then we're going to add 3 pink, 1 white, and 1 pink. And we're going to go down these 2 pink, down these 2 pink, up these 3 pink, up this pink, through this pink and white, and these 2 pink. So basically we're just tracing our string back around to get to this bead. We're going to add 1 pink and 2 white. And we're going to go through these 2 white. We're going to go down these 3 pink, up this pink, and down those 2 white. And this is going to be our last one over here, so we're going to put on 5 white beads. And we're going to go down that pink. You know what? This last one needs to be pink. So 4 white and 1 pink. Yeah, that looks better. And we're taking our string and we're going all the way around until we get to this white bead. And then we're gonna leave this for a minute. Put your needle on the other piece of string. And you're gonna take your needle and you're gonna go through this pink. And then we have the one side done, so you're going to do the same thing we did over here on this side. And when you finish that, I'll show you how to close the bottom off. I'll be back. Okay guys, I finished this. Now it's time to connect the bottom. And we're coming out of this white, so we're going to add 2 white and we're going to go through the middle bead, which is a white bead. So we're just adding 2 along the bottom. And then right here, we got our last 2 white. We're going to grab both of these ends and we're going to tie this. Whoops. And what you're going to do is you're going to cut one of the ends off. And the other one, we're going to go through this bead right here. And we're going to leave the string on because we're going to need to attach these to the hood. And I'll most likely, I'm definitely going to need to add some string because this is a short one. But, yeah, so here's the ears for the hood. Hope you enjoyed this tutorial. I'll see you next time.